This is Andrew, this is Mark, and I'm George. Together we're Pokemon Know. In our day jobs at Media Suite, we design and develop all sorts of apps using open data, so this weekend we decided to do something a little bit different. Gathering and understanding community sentiment towards ideas and topics is really complex. Currently, most data is reported either yes or no, either for or against something. But the reality is, our opinions and answers to questions are far more complex than that. So we wanted a way to bring back some balance to discussions like this, to get past the binary yes or no and uncover insights of how people are feeling towards these types of ideas by analysing the language they use when discussing them. So we've built a tool to examine the actual words people are using. We can input data and conversations from almost any source, categorise it by topic or theme, and give it what we call a positivity score. For example, we're able to understand if someone's talking about rubbish collection, cycleways, pollution, or the Crusaders. For this weekend, we've kept it pretty simple, and we're just wanting to understand if someone is being positive or negative towards a topic. But with more tuning, we can go a lot further than that. In the future, we think we'll be able to understand emotions such as anger, fear, joy, sadness, and disgust. So this weekend, we've processed some data sets and come up with a few interesting insights. We took some recent survey data from Christchurch City Council, asking respondents for their opinions on what Christchurch is to them. There was a particular piece of data in that survey which we focused on, and the question being asked was, describe Christchurch in one word. By analysing over 3,000 responses, we discovered that 68% of respondents were using positive words to describe their city. We then tracked down a 300-page Share an Idea document from Christchurch City Council, which was produced in late 2011. We thought it might be interesting to compare that data point and see what sentiment was like in that period. The other data we're able to mine, we're able to take an article published on Stuff, mine the comments and understand public sentiment in the comments. We think there's some useful insights to be gained from something as simple as a positivity score, which can be easily applied and compared to unrelated data sets. Encouraging discussion and debate is an essential part of our democracy. We would love to see our city's positivity score projected into a public space for all to see and interact with.